So I'm here with John. We are talking about picking the right contractor. He did a 203K. And unfortunately, this is another takeover job. We have to come in and the initial contract. What happened to the initial contractor?
The contractor, he took on the job, and we kind of got to run around for a couple weeks, him saying that he needed to get in touch with the architect, and he was waiting on them, and the engineer, and they take a long time. Long story short, we closed in July. We waited until September, October-ish. The guy never showed up to the house to do any work. I did demo myself. I got everything ready for him, and we just got to the point he wasn't showing up. He wasn't getting nothing done. I was supposed to be moved in by December, and now we're just getting started in December. But now, thanks to these guys, we're going to get this done.
Yep. So again, what we talk about in the podcast, what we talk about always picking the right contractor it's like picking the quarterback. I mean, you're going to win the Super Bowl with that. It's important that you pick somebody who knows what they're doing, that are familiar with the program. And again, I take over these jobs because I feel for the people that are in these situations. And the 203K is a great program, but you've got to have the right people working it for you.
Absolutely.
So we're going to help you out here, John, and walk you through this process.
We go see the vision, man. We go see what we got to get done, and
we'll get it done.
Work it to try to get it done.
Yep. All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.